Hey y'all, video number 2. So with this one, I'm doing it a little bit different. I took 2 inches, this is like 10 inches of plywood. I think I got this out of Dollar Tree. If not, it might have came out of Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. So I cut roughly about 2 inches on one and one close to 2 inches. I left one a little bit longer, and I put glued them together. But anyway, welcome back. This is Sunbonkreations, and what I'm doing is saving my bus. I smashed them in the trunk of my car, moving back and forth from craft fairs and everything. And I had these in the trunk of my car, and I didn't secure them properly. So we're just going to kind of let that go. But what I'm doing, I have another video showing how I cut the back of this open and what the tools that I use. But on this one, I did a little bit different. I just used these scissors and cut. And I'm going to use a hot glue gun to piece that back together. So I glued 2 of these together. One is like right at 2 inches and one is close to 2 inches. I left one, the height, a little bit longer. I'm just, using my intuition right now. It's early Sunday morning, but I hope you enjoy this video. You can see right there what I did. And we're going to set it up. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to raise these back up. As you can see in another video, they were flat. And now what I'm doing is just doing this right here for a minute. Pressing my hand there because this is the support. And I'm trying to push the support to the back. To hold, once I push that support to the back and it, catch on and grip. And then it'll form a little bit better. But thanks for popping through. Trying to save these busts. And I'm not sure if I'm going to really be using them, but I didn't want to throw them away. They were like $12 a piece, $11.99. I don't know what the rate for them now. I bought these a few years ago, guys. And you always have to have a lint roller. And I think I'm going to cover these up real pretty, like in a neutral color. I know black shows well with jewelry and everything, but I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to hold this right here, pushing it back. You get the clean lines. And I have to know not to be, to keep these delicately and not to move these about roughly. But like I said, the building I'm in is coming along, and I won't have to move about a lot. The only thing that I have to transport is my new pieces that I make. But I'm not really sort of not making the new pieces. Now what I'm doing is taking some of my old pieces and redesigning them. So, changing them up a little bit. Some pieces that were like, you made them at the time, you thought that they were okay, that they were pretty, but they might have not necessarily been pretty, okay? So we're going to update. We're doing some update over here, refurbishing. What they like to refurbish a building or furniture or whatever. So see how that done? Look, and all I have to do is get my little glue gun and pull that tighter. And once I pull that tighter, it's going to make that little crease right there fall in line, in other words. But yay! See, early mornings I get up and I have all these great ideas. My momentum, I like, early in the morning, I be wanting to create. But guess what, guys? That's what life is about, defining yourself and doing the things that you want to do, because I do not believe that nobody came on this earth just to sit around and wait on the government to take care of you, or sit around and not do your best, sit around and not try to find ways to make income for yourself. No. I think those days are ceasing, and people are getting out here and defining themselves. And that's what life is supposed to be. Yeah, I don't believe we're supposed to just sit around and wait for them to feed us, grow our own fruits and vegetables. At least we know that they're clean. Yeah, because these foods that they're giving us is crap about right now. They're full of chemicals. But we don't want to get into that. That's a different. So we're doing jewelry restorations now. So this is video 2. So what I'm going to do is clean up a little bit, and I'm going to come back in and I'm going to show you some pieces that I got from Amazon. And on my, what section is that on your videos? I'm just going to put pictures of my building. What do you call that? On, not Amazon, but on YouTube. Post, I'm going to post in my post section some pictures of the building and some colors, that we kind of went with a little bit. I'm trying to make everything blend in together. But anyway, guys, peace and stay safe out there. Catch you later. Sunbonkreations.